to our video.
Okay, guys, welcome to our video. Stop! Hey guys, so today we are going to be working on how to do the Black Widow move from Civil War.
So it's the part where she's fighting Bucky Barnes, the Winter Soldier. We're just gonna try this.
Round two.
Round.
We're gonna do butt cheeks.
3.5. Round 4 point something. Round 5. Trial 7.3. 8.9.
My nose. Ah. Is it going? If you guys may have known, probably not, but later, like a month ago, I broke my nose playing football, and he just
Yeah, nobody cares.
More momentum.
Okay, squats, go. No, don't actually. Hey, hobo. What happened?
My nards. Grand stop!
Okay, let's stop. Now action.
Oh. Oh, yeah, my arm got stuck! Doing like this.
Whatever. Okay. Up on your shoulders. On your shoulders.
Yep, that was terrible.
It's rolling. Table trial number 1. Alright, fellas. So we just did our 15 trials of that stunt.
Yep.
And it was hard,
It
let me tell you.
It was hard.
First off, if you want to be the person going on them, you got to be lighter than the person carrying you. I'm lighter than him, so
Yeah, whatever. Stop.
We used to be able to pull this stunt off with Lincoln. He is so much
Younger
lighter
brother.
than us, and
Younger brother.
it was so much easier to carry him through it. But with this one, we're almost the same weight, so it was a lot harder. I'd say if you want to do a Black Widow stunt and you have 2 people that are almost the same weight, this one is harder than the other one we did a tutorial on, because try to carry me through this one.
Yeah, you got it.
The other one is a lot easier to carry someone through on. To start out, what Black Widow does, she's coming on to the Winter Soldier from the back. She comes and puts both hands on his shoulders.
She whips
Herself up. And we're going to use Michelangelo for this. Both hands on the shoulders. Whips her body around, still holding on here. And what she has to do, she can't go like this like the other move. She can't be upside down like that. What she has to do, she has to spin 180 degrees. So this leg comes here and turns the entire body towards that way. Going from the back to facing you. The spinning part is the hardest part because you have to go 180 degrees and you're just going straight and turning around. And then has to get both legs around his neck, split them apart, so it goes, and then woo! And sit up. And this person has to hold them up so they don't fall back, which is one of their main jobs.
A hard part in this is keeping them up, because you have to keep both legs on top and make sure their butt doesn't drop down to their chest.
That was a challenge for us because my butt was always dropping and my knees were resting on the shoulders instead of the bottom of my butt. it might be easier to come in at an angle.
But I feel like that'd be easier to kick the person in the face.
Yeah.
So if you're standing there and I come in at an angle, you have to get your foot right here and it comes right past their face.
Yeah,
So
so
if you come through
be
here,
careful.
you have to whip around.
We have had many injuries in this. And then, so Black Widow starts elbowing. Sometimes it's hard to get the elbows to look right.
Okay, as we
I need a book. No.
Okay, as we were saying,
So Black Widow comes and starts elbowing. A hard part to get the elbows to look right. My elbows always came apart and went over his head. Try to get the elbows together to make it look more realistic.
it's harder to get them carried and using full momentum to get them up, which always looks.
Wrong book.
Go! Get on. Get it. Yeah! Stay out!
Okay, as I was saying, and it's so much easier if you can get a lot of momentum to carry you through the motions of getting that leg over, using that momentum to get up.
For the person going around, they have to get a lot of height. They can't just go into it like that. They actually have to jump. It's scary the first time, but you get used to it, jumping and getting a bunch of height. So after the elbows, in the movie, the Winter Soldier comes up to a table. She elbows him four, maybe 5 times, slams her on a table, which we have tried many times. Be careful of the table you're doing. You don't want a super hard table. This one is plastic, easy to carry, but it doesn't hurt that bad. Make sure you don't whack your head on the table. After they put you onto the table, then Bucky starts choking her. Don't actually choke people.
No.
Not this time.
No, wait.
Yeah. Stop him!
This is my book.
Ah!
Book's not gonna quit.
Let him get away! Stop! Ah! I was saying something, blah blah blah. The motion is like this. No. It's going wrong.
Watch. Boom!
Check out our other Black Widow tutorial video and our other Marvel videos in general. Hey, move your face in the camera real quick. Check out our fight scenes. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and
Okay, I'm done. Why are you still recording? Honestly, dude, you're an idiot. No.